Okay, guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a template using ChatGPT. But just before I do that, I just want to show you a guide, right, that I had created using ChatGPT just a few minutes ago, right? So basically, I wanted for a travel guide for Jamaica. And all I stated was that I wanted a travel guide for Jamaica. And just look at all the information that I got, right? And it's so sectionable that I'm like, it overheals for this, right? They also gave me a photograph which I did not ask for, right? But all I have to do with this right now is just to copy it, right? And put it over into Canva. And I'll make my edits as regards to fronts, upload photographs, and just use vibrant colors. So if it is that you're one that does digital business online, definitely can actually use this. So I'm going to go ahead and click on new chat. And I'm going to create a business plan, a 5 years business plan. Let me just be specific in this one. So I'm just going to leave it at that. And here we have it, our business plan. So of course, once it is that ChatGPT go ahead to give an output, you want to go ahead to just go through to ensure that it is something that you're looking for. And if it is that it's not, right, you do have the option that says ask anything, and you can go ahead to prompt again just to ensure that you get the result that you want, right? Next, we're going to do is to make a resume. So I'm just going to make a general resume in this case, but normally if it is that I'm going ahead to make a resume, I'll go ahead to do it based on where I'm from, right? So I'm Jamaican, so of course I want for it to be done according to Jamaica's way of making a resume, right? So let's see. Okay, let me. Oh, so of course you can actually specify, right? As you can see here, if it is that you want to make a resume for marketing professionals and so forth. But of course, you'll know that if it is that you get more clients that you want to make resume for, or whatever it is that you want for that template to be for. So if it is that you're in customer service or you're in, as it's stated here, marketing, you could definitely go ahead to specify your template towards that. But for me, I'm just going to go ahead and say, make me a resume template, right? And again, ChatGPT is going to go ahead to showcase what they have in mind. And again, always go through, right, the output just to ensure that it meets. Let's see here. Yeah. So always go through. So this is basically it. And again, if it is that you do online business, you can definitely just copy this, put it over somewhere, and that's just you, right? So of course, our aim is from novice to pro, right? So if it is that you found this video helpful, you can definitely go ahead and subscribe and give me a like, right? I'll see you in my next video.